strawberry and white ice cream cone. All right, Chase, let's take it to Zuma. Here we go. All right, Zuma, look, we got your ice cream cone. Oh my goodness, I am so excited. Hi guys, look how cute Chase is right here. He's in an ice cream truck. And look at all this ice cream he has. So he's gonna go to all of his Paw Patrol friends and make them some ice cream. Look how cute this little ice cream truck is. Watch what happens when I press this button. Oh, it shoots off the ice cream cone. Boom! All right, Chase. All right, let's go drive by some of your friends. Who wants some ice cream? I do. Okay, what kind of ice cream would you like? I would like some chocolate chip and lime ice cream. Okay, let me go get that for you. Okay, Chase, time to make some chocolate chip and lime ice cream. Here's our cute little scooper. And here's our chocolate chip and lime. We're going to take our chocolate chip ice cream and our lime ice cream, and there it is, all made up. Okay, Rocky, here's your ice cream cone. Yay! Here you go. You ate that right up, Rocky. Good job. Thanks, Chase. You're welcome. All right, Chase. Let's go find some more friends. Woo! Hi, Marshall. What kind of ice cream would you like? I would like some orange vanilla mix and some chocolate. Okay, I can get that for you. Right, it looks like he wanted orange and vanilla mixed and some chocolate. So let's make his ice cream cone with his orange vanilla mix. Ooh. There, and his chocolate. There, look how good that looks. All right, Chase, let's go. Here you go, Marshall, we got your ice cream. Oh, I'm so excited to eat it. Thanks, Chase. You're welcome, Marshall. Oh my goodness, our Paw Patrol are just loving their ice cream. Let's go find another Paw Patrol, Chase. All right, here we go. Woo! Hi, Zuma. What kind of ice cream would you like? Can I get some pink ice cream and white ice cream? Yes, Zuma, that's strawberry and vanilla ice cream. Oh, thank you. All right, we'll be right back. Okay, we need our pink ice cream and our vanilla ice cream. And let's make this strawberry and white ice cream cone. All right, Chase, let's take it to Zuma. Here we go. All right, Zuma, look, we got your ice cream cone. Oh my goodness, I am so excited. So excited, let me eat it. So good, thanks so much, Chase. You're welcome, Zuma. All right, Chase, let's go find our last Paw Patrol. I'm here, you guys. That was funny. He shot off his ice cream cone. What kind of ice cream would you guys like? Well, I would like some chocolate with some white sprinkles and some orange. Okay, be right back. Okay, we gotta make rubbles. You wanted chocolate with white sprinkles and orange. Here we go. There's his ice cream cone. Oh no! Alright, let's go, Chase. Alright, Rubble, look, we made your ice cream cone. Oh my goodness, that looks so good. Thank you. You're welcome, Rubble. Alright, Skye, you get the last 2 ice creams. Oh, I'm so excited. Our last 2 is this vanilla caramel swirl and some strawberry vanilla swirl. So let's make our ice cream. There it is. Let's go, Chase. All right, Skye, here you go. You get some strawberry swirl and some vanilla caramel swirl. Oh, my favorite. Thanks so much, Chase. Can I ride with you in your ice cream car truck? Of course, get in. We can open the back of our car and let Skye in. Let's get all of our other Paw Patrol and let them in too. There, look, now we have all of them in the truck. And look, we can even open up this door. And look, it's our little ice cream stand. And we have Skye and Marshall there. Oh, Chase fell over. There we go, there's Chase. Okay. Say bye to Chase and our Paw Patrol. Thanks for all the ice cream. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Whoa! What just happened? Ew, there's an egg! Hey, Paw Patrol, what are you guys doing today? We came to look in the fridge because we're hungry. All right, let's look in the fridge. Here we go. What? The fridge is empty, you guys. What are you talking about? What? It's empty? Where's all of our food? What are we going to do? We're going to starve. Oh, who was that? That was Chicoletta. Look, I think she left something for us. What is this? 12 eggs? We have a whole carton of eggs. Oh, did she bring us some food? No way! Yeah, it looks like she popped out some eggs for us. Let's open it up. Oh my goodness, look. There's a bazillion eggs in here. And look at all their funny faces. Oh my goodness. Let's look at this one first. This one has a pink face and he's going, ah! Skye, look, this color matches you. It does match me. Can I eat it? I don't think you should eat it. Whoa! What just happened? Ew, there's an egg! Oh! Ooh, I like eggs. Oh, Skye, what are you doing? Ugh. Let's leave Skye to be with her egg. Let's look at our next one. Oh, look how cute this one is. It's a little purple egg. That's a cute little face. You know what would be really funny? If we threw it. Oh no, look at our face! Oh no! Oh no, we're making a mess, you guys. Ew! Let's look at our next egg. This one has an orange face. Ew! Oh, he's broken in half. Ah, no! Oh my goodness, what about this egg? This one has a green face and he's all cheesy. Do you think we can roll him into the Paw Patrol? Wow! Ah! Ah! Ew, he's all cracked up. What's happening to all of our eggs? Oh, no! Okay, let's look at the next one. This one has a yellow funny face on it. What about this egg? Ew, look at his silly face. He has swirly eyeballs. Let's just set him right there. And look at our next egg. This egg is blue. It has a funny blue tongue coming out. Oh my goodness. Chase! Look at our next egg. This is a funny pink face. Look at her funny lips. Ooh. How should we break her open? It's really hard. Skye, I think we need your help. All right, Skye. 1, 2, 3. Egg bath. Ooh. Well, let's look at the rest of our eggs. Look at these two. Oh, it looks like this one won. He didn't break at all. Let's see how this egg does. Ooh, look at this egg. Ah! Ah! Oh no, this egg won again. Let's see what this egg does. This is a funny yellow one. Who do you think will win in this one? Ah! Oh my gosh, he hit this egg. Look, he's cracked. Ah! No, my brains! Ah! Well, it looks like this yellow egg's the last one. Let's crack them open like normal. Here we go. Well, Paw Patrol, you better eat up all those eggs. Oh, we will. We love eggs. Okay, say bye to Paw Patrol. Bye.
Bye-bye.